$1 million challenge. My portfolio just turned positive. A little heads up, guys. Today you're gonna see my biggest winner, my biggest loser, and one position that I think is particularly very interesting right now, and an upcoming position preview. So stay tuned, guys. But first, a little bit context. Can I show that everybody can turn $100,000 into $1 million by combining different trading styles inside one portfolio? And yes, it's possible. I've done it before and I'll do it again, but this time publicly. That's exactly what I'm trying to do with my $1 million challenge. And this portfolio is going to be a little bit different from how I normally invest, because I'm deliberately mixing different styles into one account. Long-term investments and short-term investments, aka momentum trades. You're gonna see positions with stop losses and positions without stop losses. No matter what type of investor you are, there should be something in this challenge that you can learn from. In a separate video, I'll explain my investment styles and strategies. And from now on, I'm going to cover this challenge much more closely here on YouTube. When I open a new position, I'll show you what I'm buying and why I'm buying. When I close one, I'll show you the exit and explain exactly why I'm getting out. So you'll be able to follow the decision making and portfolio management behind the entire journey from $100,000 towards $1 million. Likely, I already told you this challenge is live running since March 2025. I started on March 2025 on Instagram, but on YouTube I can show much more deeper insights. The link to Instagram down here, guys. So, and today is a very good time to start, because the last time I showed this portfolio on YouTube, we were still running negative. Well, right now we are positive. And so today I'm going to show you exactly where the account stands, and then we are going straight into the three positions: the winner, the loser, and the very interesting position. And number 4, a upcoming preview of a new position. So guys, let's waste any more time. Let's go right into it. Well, guys, right now we are into the account, the $1 million challenge. On the upper left corner, you're gonna see the account number from Interactive Brokers over here. I'm gonna try to pixel the last 3 digits, of course, guys, but in the original video from March 2025 on Instagram, I'm gonna link it down below in the description. You're gonna see the account number on Interactive Brokers, and over here the account number. The last 3 digits doesn't matter. Who knows? Interactive Brokers can verify that's a real money account. So let's come right into it. The actual account balance is $375,000. So we realized $275,000 in profits. That means 275% since the account started back in March 2025. So that's pretty impressive. Not even 18 months, but honestly, we had a pretty good head start with a little crash in the beginning. So that gave us a little bit head start. But anyway, right now, this account turned into positive. The last time I showed the account on YouTube, we still were running negative over here. Right now, the unrealized profit losses are $62,000. So available funds $164,000, and margin buffer is 63, barely 68%. Right now we see the positions down here. Snow is my biggest winner. We're gonna see later the snow position. Snowflake, this is a very, very important position, just by the way. And we have right now 23 positions in Snowflake. I have already a stop loss. I'm gonna explain it later. And let's scroll a little bit down. Down here, we're going until the end. So over here. Where is it? Hold on, give me a second. The biggest loser is SMR. We're gonna see this position later on chart two. That's my biggest loser actually. And the most interesting position right now is SMCI. A really, really interesting position. We're gonna see it in chart two. And last but not least, it's gonna be a surprise. The position that I'm gonna open soon, a upcoming position, but we're gonna see it in the chart too. So right now that you saw the account, we're gonna go right away into the charts. Right now we are in the charts, and we just starting with my biggest winner right now. This winner's already saved. It's Snowflake, Snow, Snowflake. This is my biggest winner right now. It's running like crazy, unstoppable. And you're gonna see it. My average entry point was over here at $193.11. We are around about $11,600 into profit, and I did set a stop loss up here on 80 on $326.58 on purpose, because right now this stock went so parabolic that I expect a correction back to the breakout level at $280. And believe it or not, it makes a difference of round about $46. So $46 every share is a big difference. So I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna want to get out over here and re-enter over here at 280 if you make the correction again, because I don't want to leave $46 on the table if the market's going to correct right now. Otherwise, I'm going to adjust the stop loss. So let me go a little bit deeper into it, because we see that we have also a little bit top building over here. You see all the shadows on the candles over here. So it's like, okay, the market wants to correct over here. It's a little bit overbought right now. That's why I want to leave here. And if the market is gonna make a correction down here to 280, maybe only 285, I'm gonna enter Snowflake again, because for me Snowflake is a long-term investment for a few years. But in this case, I'm gonna act like a momentum move, leave the market, enter the market again, just by the way. So $85,000, if you don't get a big gap, is basically saved, and a re-entry is already planned. Right now, let's go to the biggest loser, SMR. Here it is, NuScale Power Corporation. And honestly, we already talked about nuclear energy, whatever. And this is a very big, important player for me. Just by the way, it's a long-term investment. And in this case, like three till 5 years. So I want to hold this stock anyway, long term. So I bought it over here at $30.48. Way too early. I thought we're gonna, after this candle over here, you see, I entered here, we're gonna see an up move. It didn't happen, but yeah, right now we are running $10,400 negative. This can happen. Not every position is perfect. You have to live with negative positions too. In this case, it's a long-term position. I'm not worried about this one, because it's has a projection of 3 till 5 years. Is it funny? Is it nice running $10,000 negative? Not at all. Did I buy it at a good time? Okay, I thought it's going to be a turnaround, because uh, nuclear power was very important. It's a really big important stock in the market. But yeah, I bought it too early. It dropped a little bit, but I'm pretty sure, never 100% or sure, that this stock is going to make me big money the next 3 till 5 years, but I can be wrong. But it's running negative. It's not sexy. I don't like it, but it is what it is. It's completely normal. That can happen to everybody. And right now, I want to go into a stock that I find pretty interesting in my position. This is SMCI, Super Microcomputer. And yeah, they had really good earnings, by the way, really good earnings.
And SMCI is a very, very important stock. You remember the deal between the United States and Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. So this is a really, really important stock. Here they had good earnings, pretty nice. So we can see it over here. Revenue a little bit down, but in general, pretty good earnings and record sales, whatever. And I gonna see this stock back again, at least at $59 or the all-time highs over here at 66. But this stock are gonna hold also for long term. So I'm not worried. Well, we are running $3,000 in profit right now. I expect much, much more. This is position number 3, the most interesting position right now. So right now, let's come to my next upcoming position. Maybe it's not a surprise for you, but it's AAPL, Apple, guys. And I love it a lot in this case right now. So the new product release is coming up in September, iPhone 18, iPhone Ultra, or foldable, however you want to call it, and many new products are going to be released. Apple had really good earnings over here, and yeah, dividends right now. But anyway, Apple had a really, really strong up move since June 26th. So it corrected over here. For me, it's like, okay, I have two options. What I want to do, wait for a correction over here and buy it out of the correction before the September event of Apple. And I don't expect to fall it under this low here. This is a magic number. I expect that they're gonna correct until 290, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. This is an option for me buying out of the correction and then going long, like correction and out of the correction going long with target over here at $317 and then all-time highs at $344 and breakout. Or if the market stops and breaks out over this level before a bigger correction, I'm gonna trade the breakout until the all-time highs and I want to hold it after the September event or even longer. So but I'm gonna make about Apple a separate video just to let you know, guys. So right now we are going back to the video. Thanks for watching. Well, we're not finished, but let's go back to the video, guys.
And that's where the challenge stands today. We started at $100,000 and we are currently at $375,000. The portfolio has turned positive again, unrealized profit losses. And the destination is still $1 million. And from now on, whenever I make an important entry or exit, I'll bring you into the decision making behind it. Not that you can copy what I'm doing. More importantly, that you can understand the strategy, the position management, and the portfolio management behind those decisions. Because ultimately, that's what this challenge is all about. Seeing whether we can take that $100,000 originally and manage it all the way to $1 million, that you can learn from it and later on do it by yourself, guys. You're going to be part of it. See you next video. Peace out. Sasha.